Motorists are strongly advised to exercise extreme caution on the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. A road accident involving an articulated truck that overturned and spilled its content at the Otedola Bridge toll gate has caused significant traffic congestion. The incident, which occurred at approximately 1 p.m. on Tuesday, has blocked 80% of the roadway, leading to a heavy traffic extending towards Kara. Meanwhile, authorities are currently working to quickly remove the vehicle and clear the obstruction. And also, officials of the Lagos State Traffic Management Authority are also on site managing the situation. LASTMA General Manager urged road users to be patient and cooperate with officials, stating cooperation is needed from road users.
Thank you for watching Daily Scoop. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment.